Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about total quality management. Myself, Dr. Uma Devi, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences. We are going to discuss in total quality management the introduction about this total quality management, concepts involved in this total quality management, what are the benefits, what are the characteristics, key elements, advantages, and disadvantages? Let us see the introduction. So, in total quality management, the total means the whole. Quality is the characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to meet a stated need. Management is nothing but its act, art, or manner of planning, controlling, directing. Therefore, the TQM is the art of managing the quality and productivity. Now we will see the various definitions about this total quality management. The total quality management has been defined as an integrated organizational effort designed to improve the quality at every level. The process to produce a perfect product by a series of measures require an organized effort by the entire company to prevent or eliminate errors at every stage in the production. That is called total quality management. And it is also on adopting the management. According to International Organization for Standards, the TQM is a management approach for an organization centered on quality based on the participation of all its members and aiming at long term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all members of the organization and to the society. Now, let us see the concepts of total quality management. The first one is customer satisfaction, then strategic and systematic approach at all levels, continual improvement in the process and development, employee involvement, encourage the mutual teamwork and communication. Now we will see the characteristics of this total quality management. The top management is the main first thing, and we have to focus on the customers, and we have to create a total quality management environment, and always we have to follow the integrated systematic approach in this company. Then we have to increase the training capacity, and we have to improve the skill development programs in the organization, and always the system must be open organization. The employee empowerment should be involved by giving rewards and awards. Then flexible production might be there, and process improvement is another important characteristics. And we need to measure the process, and always the continual improvement is it must be the main other important characteristics in the total quality management. Implementation of the total quality management differs by counting. We have to use different tools, different techniques, and training in their use of analyzing, understanding, and solving the quality problems. Customers, the quality product customer need and predict the future as a driving force and central concern. The culture, we have to share the values and beliefs expressed by the leaders. So they define and support the quality, and we have to adopt the culture of this total quality management. Principles of total quality management. Top management should be committed to achieve the goals. We have to focus on the customer demand and we need to produce the quality product. Continuous improvement, and that is the main principle of total quality management, and teamwork at all levels, and leadership quality, and process approach. Now, let us see the key elements of the total quality management. Mainly, three key elements are there. One is customer focus, the second one is employee involvement, third one is custom continuous improvement. First, we will see about the customer focus. The king of any industry is the customer. So, quality, what they want, that should be provided. And external customers use the organization product or service. And internal customers or employee who receive the output of other employees. Customer complaints we have to receive, and we should have the protocol for receiving the complaints and doing the corrective actions also. And we need to collect the customer feedback either verbal or written manner. So second key element is employee involvement. In any industry depend on the employee involvement. The employees make the quality product using their expert knowledge of the process. A team work together to achieve common objective or goal is required. Continuous improvement. The continuous improvement is designed to utilize the working to improve the performance, speed, and number of features of the product or service. Continuous improvement means that small incremental improvement that occurs on a regular basis will eventually aid up to the vast improvement in the quality. Techniques of the total quality management, tools for quality planning, tools for continuous improvement, and statistical tools. And steps to achieve the quality planning, identify the customer need, predict the customer positioning, predict the future of that company's future, finding the gap, filling the gap, alignment, and implementation. Now we will see the benefits of this total quality management. Any company, if they are adopting to this total quality management, they can improve their quality of the product and process, and employee participants participation will be there, and teamwork, that is the other main advantage, and working relationship atmosphere will be good, customer relationship also satisfactory, and employee satisfaction also will be good, and more productivity will be there, and in a better manner all the aspects will be communicated to all levels, and they can achieve the profit more profitable, and the market share value of the company is more now. Approach of total quality management, research and development, good laboratory practice, good clinical practice, manufacturing, active pharmaceutical ingredient, raw materials, packaging and labeling, facilities and equipment, post marketing surveillance. So, these are the approaches to get into the total quality management. Now, we will see the advantages of this TQM. This will improve the quality at every level, low cost and high returns at all level. This improves the reputation of firm falls and problems are spotted and sorted quicker. Higher employee morale, worker motivated by rewards, training, teamwork, and involvement in decisions of total quality management. It decreases waste as fewer defective products and no more separators. The wide access to the global market. Disadvantages: implementation time is more, initial introduction high cost will be there, so benefits may not be seen for several years. The workers may be resistant to change to the culture of this TQM. So finally, we will see the conclusion. Implementation of the TQM is essential to deliver quality, safety, zero defect product at economical rate. The TQM play an important role in the pharma companies to come up with innovative, safe, and clinically approved drugs at cheaper cost. The work culture and complete engagement of the employees at the workplace. It should be realized that national international regulations must be implemented systematically. So thus quality is critically important ingredient to the organizational success today, which can be achieved by the total quality management. So that's it about the TQM. So thank you, students. I'll catch you in the next class. Thank you.